Good morning, children. Today we will be doing this chapter, latitudes and longitudes, the second chapter of our social science. We will start from the lines of latitude. The lines of latitude. The lines of longitude. The lines of longitude run from the north of the earth to the south. As you see, children, in this picture, it starts from here and it ends here. This is your line of longitude. These lines, these vertical lines are your lines of longitude. Okay? They divide the earth into two segments like an orange. You must have seen an orange when you peel the skin of the orange, and when you eat one at a time, you will see it's like that. It looks like that, one curve. They are not parallel like the lines of the latitude. They are exactly not parallel. They are not at all parallel, and meet at a point at the north and south poles. They are also called meridians. They are also called meridians, children. As you see over here, from here to here, it's like this, arc shape. It goes like this, an arc. You must have seen a plastic ball. You know, the children who has plastic balls, they have variety of colors in it. Rainbow colors are there. So it looks like that. It's like this. So it is meeting over here in the North Pole, and it is meeting at the North Pole and the South Pole, and it is wider in the center. This portion is wide. Okay. Some important facts to remember about longitudes are, point number 1 is, children, over here as I have highlighted it, you all please write important over here, IMP, and then you all can see, learn. Longitudes are measured in degrees. Longitudes and latitudes are measured in degrees. See over here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Similarly, it is measured over here also. All longitudes are equal in length. All the longitudes are equal in length. The longitude that passes through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in England is called the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. It is the 0-degree longitude. This, for the latitude, equator is cutting in, the earth into two equal halves. For longitude, the Greenwich is, Greenwich meridian is cutting the earth into two equal halves from the lengthwise. Okay, so Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere, Northern hemisphere and Southern hemisphere. All other longitudes are drawn to the east and the west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. As I told you, children, the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves. If you see over here, it is dividing from here to here is the west. It's dividing from here, and from here to here is the east. So this portion is the western hemisphere, this portion is the eastern hemisphere. It is the 0-degree latitude. All other latitudes are drawn. Okay, we have finished it. Therefore, the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for the east and W for the west. When we write E like over here it is written S and over here it is written north, means N, it indicates north and this indicates south. Over here it will be written W and over here it will be written E. So this will indicate west and this will indicate east. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is called International Date Line, IDL. What does it mean? International Date Line. So this line is known as the International Date Line. Okay. Locating places. Lines of latitude and lines of longitudes are used to locate places accurately on the Earth's surface. Now you can locate the place accurately on the Earth's surface. Parallels and meridians crisscross to form a grid. Crisscross means it's cutting. We play crisscross, so this is also like a crisscross. It's cutting each other and it is meeting over here. These are the intersecting places. The point where the latitude and the longitude of the place intersect each other is the exact location of that place. It is the exact location of the place. Like over here, here we see it, this portion is India and here it is cutting. This is the longitude, this is the latitude, so it is meeting over here. The point is over here, so it is intersecting over here. Okay. This location is also referred to as coordinates of place and is expressed in degrees. For example, if we say that Goa is located at 15 degree north and 73 degree east, it means that Goa is located exactly at the point of intersection of 15 degree north latitude and 73 degree east longitude. Now here we have some words in red. You will have to learn these, as these are the meanings, like coordinates. Each of a group of numbers used to indicate the position of a point, line or a plane. It indicates the position, line or a plane. Okay children, so we come to an end of this chapter. Let us see what we have learned. The imaginary lines. What are the imaginary lines? The vertical and the horizontal lines, which is the latitude and longitude, equator and Greenwich meridian. Parallels of latitude runs from east to west in direction. 0 degree latitude is called equator. Here meridians are longitude run from north south direction. 0 degree latitude is called prime meridian. This is a grid. You can see over here nicely. This is intersecting over here and this is known as a grid. So we come to an end of this chapter, children. Okay, so we have the fact quest over here. Let us see what it is written. At the international date line, by an international agreement, each calendar day begins at midnight, so that when it is Sunday just west of the IDL, it is Saturday just east of it. To put it simply, in all places on the east side of IDL, the date is 1 day earlier than on the places to its west. Okay, the places which is in the west is 1 day later than the east. Okay. So thank you children. We have completed the chapter latitudes and longitudes. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe and bye.